All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set that we just had done for a customer. It's an 8 top, 8 bottom. Now, what's really nice about these is these are actually single caps. So you can see in between each tooth there, that line, you see that's gives it that definition. That's because each of these teeth are individually removable, which gives it that nice, very defined, permanent style look. These are single caps. Okay, these are available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can go for a top or a bottom or a set, and you choose how many teeth you want right on the website. Nice and easy ordering. We send you a mold kit, and then you bite down on it. You mail it back to us, and this is the result, guys. A nice custom fitted teeth grill set made with 925 sterling silver. Beautiful set, guys. This is real silver. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.